Okay, moving on to our next characteristics, that is the data format. It refers to the method or pattern of the transmission that is to be used to send the data. The most common mode of data transmission is asynchronous transmission. The data transmission can be a ASCII character, which means sending character by character, or it may be trending byte by byte. So, as we are aware, the transmitting system and the receiving equipment has to have a predetermined data format, just for the receiver to recognize the pattern and reassemble the bits back into its original data shape. Which brings us to our next interesting topic on serial data communication characteristics, that is the clocking method. In asynchronous communication system, each device uses its own clock to transmit and receive data. The clock has not to be very accurate. The received clock is resynced by each start of bit and only needs the accuracy within the 5% tolerance level to detect the start data bit. Now each character is framed for self-synchronization, as we do not have a common identical clock between the transmitter and the receiver. Let's get into its basic concept. Now, apart from the data itself, which may be 7 or 8 bit, there are other information included, as we discussed earlier: the start bit, the stop bit, and the optional parity bit. So even if nothing more is included to it, a 8-bit data turns up to be a minimum 11-bit byte. And also remember that a stop bit can take space of more than 1 bit. It can be 1.5 bit or even 2 bits. So in our basic example, for sending a 8-bit data, we need a 11-bit byte. Hence, the overhead is very high. In this case, it is as high as 37.5%. To put it in further perspective, for a baud rate of 9600, which basically means a 9600 bps, the data rate will be as less as 7000 bps. That is why technically in asynchronous transmission, we specifically use the term baud rate. Just for your reference, in synchronous transmission, the baud rate and the data rate are almost the same. So here we will take a short break and we'll come back on the topic in a bit.